Hi, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to build a Telegram bot with Google Gemini API plus Python, using Python. So be ready for this exercise. If you like what you're going to do, subscribe, like, comment for the algorithm to share to more people. So we can go to VS Code and start our journey. We're going to create our file. And we're going to open folder, create a new folder, say test, create, then add. So we have our folder. After that, we're going to create our file, which is app.py, clear the terminal, then start calling our agent.